Hey guys, welcome back to the Android Kenya channel. Today we're going to look at this. This is the Infinix 08. It launches in a few days and it should be available across the country this September. It's been a while since we saw an Infinix 0 series device, especially since they skipped the 06, the 07 release last year. So the last Infinix 0 smartphone that we know of and we've had a look at previously has been the 06. So here now we're in 2020 and finally we have a new Infinix flagship smartphone for the year. It's this Infinix 08. For those who remember, we did a teaser article on the blog, and one of the posters we used from my smart price in India shows the Infinix 08, and there's also an allusion to the 08i, which is another Infinix 08 series device that's coming. We don't know much about that and we don't have it, but you can see what we have here and make your own conclusions with regards to what to expect there. As you can see from the retail packaging, there's all this shiny, then there's the stylistic way they've put this 8. It gives hints to diamond, so we're going to see a lot of diamond design on this device, especially the camera bump at the back. Also, this is the diamond black color model. So some of the things that you should look forward to before we even go inside is the 3 outstanding features of the Infinix 08. That is a very high refresh rate display, 90 Hz, and dual front-facing cameras, which should be a first for the Infinix brand. And then we also have the 4-camera arrangement at the back in that whole diamond design thing, which is headlined by a 64 megapixel main sensor. Then the last thing is the model that I have with me here is the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage option, which gives you a lot and you're able to expand that using micro SD card. So let's get inside. Let's see what comes in the box of the Infinix 08. So let's cut this tape here. Let's start it. So we are good with this. There's no tape, so go right in. Of course, the first thing that we're seeing is this. So here is your Infinix 08 in all its glory. They're saying extraordinary vision master, probably an allusion to both the cameras, the high refresh rate display, and as you can see here, they're indicating that you're getting a 90 Hz display. You should be able to alternate between the 60 Hz, the standard refresh rate, and this high refresh rate, but out of the box you should be getting the 90 Hz. And then you're also getting a 64 megapixel camera here at the back, and then at the front here you have a dual combination of a 48 megapixel sensor, and the other one should be an 8 megapixel sensor. Then another allusion you're getting right from this display sticker is the fast charging capabilities of the device. You're getting Infinix Supercharge, so complete a 33 watt adapter to juice up that 4500 milliampere hour battery real quick. And then of course the storage options I've talked about. And then here we have a Helio G90T processor. This is the same one that you should be getting in the Realme 6, which is the other very excellent budget smartphone in the local market. So that tells you we are looking at quite something here with us. And then at the back here you can see is your 4-camera arrangement, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here you have your flash, and on the side here you have your volume rocker. Is your fingerprint sensor, I believe, is it? Yes, fingerprint sensor embedded on the power on off button. Then on this other side you have the slot for the SIM tray and also the micro SD card. Down here you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, and then finally, thank God, you have your USB-C Type-C port, and then here's your speaker. We hope it sounds very well. Yeah, so that's the Infinix 08. Let's see what else you get inside this box. So there's this. Let's see what is it. You have your SIM tray ejector pin, and then here's some sticker with information about the device. Here's another piece of paper for the X Club, and then here's a screen protector. Good thing they haven't applied it there directly. And then here is a sticker, pair of stickers actually, for the Infinix. There's the features now, there's the 8, there's the 08, and there's the other one with the Infinix 08 styling. So you should be able to apply these anywhere, kind of like the way you get Apple stickers with your Apple device purchases. And here is a case for this device, of course, with that diamond camera bump cutout. So we'll fit this and see how it fits. Here is your USB-C Type-C charging cable, and also what you get used for data transfers. And interestingly, here are some earbuds. They look, if you've seen our unboxings of Infinix devices, this is a newer tech from them. They have that, see, this is a newer tech. It's not what you're used to seeing on Infinix devices, so hopefully they sound just as good. And here is your charging adapter, the one that will enable you to use up that 4500 mAh battery real fast, 33 watts. Yeah, that's it from the box of the Infinix 08. So we'll be taking this device through its paces over the next few days and share final feedback in a review on the website. Be sure to check androidkenya.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for future unboxings and more. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.